everyone. Today I'm going to be making cowboy candy. You know, the candy jalapeños. Now I had somebody that had watched my cowboy candy pickled eggs ask me if I would make just the cowboy candy. So I said, sure. This one is a different recipe. Give us a new take on how other people make cowboy candy. What all goes into the cowboy candy? 8 ounces of jalapeno peppers, 8 to 12 medium. I will weigh it on my food scale. I've got plenty, so I might even be able to make 2 batches. I don't know. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon yellow or brown mustard seeds. I have the brown ones. 1/4 teaspoon celery seeds, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt. So let's begin. Now the first thing I want to do is measure out 8 ounces. I have my food scale here. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I have it tared out and I've got it set for ounces. I'm up to 4.6 ounces. So I got 8.45 ounces. I have 5 jalapenos. But next we'll cut these into thin slices. It does not say to remove the seeds. If you want them spicier, leave the seeds in. Dave's not a big spice person, so I'm going to use my de-seeder on that. Okay, so I'm going to cut the end of it off. Little end of this one off. So you want to just take your de-seeder and stick it down and then turn it, pull it out. There you have it. This one actually is a bigger jalapeno and you want it to, the center to be as wide as your de-seeder. Cut it into thin slices. Take a saucepan, place your 1 cup of granulated sugar, your 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, your 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, yellow or brown, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seeds, your 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and your 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring that up to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally until sugar has dissolved. Put in your sliced jalapenos. Cook them until they get shiny and slightly shriveled, about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. And this is a lot of jalapenos, a little more than 8 ounces, but I think it'll be fine. Remove the jalapenos with a slotted spoon. And you can tell they're shrivelly. Then continue to boil until it becomes syrupy and is reduced by 1/3. While that's boiling, put your jalapenos in a sanitized, clean glass pint jar. Your syrup should take 5 to 10 minutes. All right, I'm going to pour this into a measuring cup so I won't make a mess when I put it in the jar. So take your jar and pour your syrupy solution. And you want to have about 1/4 inch of a headroom. So then submerge these so they all will get flavored. And then let that come to room temperature. And then we'll put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator. And you can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks. You want to keep it in the refrigerator at least 24 to 48 hours before even trying it, so it gets the full flavor to it. So we'll see you in a couple of days so Dave can do a taste test. So here is the requested cowboy candy. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I can smell the peppers.
They sound crunchy.
They're kind of hot and kind of not. It's like, I don't know if the sugar kind of like takes the bite out of it. I mean, it's still got a little bite to it, but it's not, it doesn't linger as much.
So do you like the ones that were with the eggs, or do you like these ones?
I think these have a little more bite than the ones that were with the eggs, but it's hard to say because I was eating two things at once.
Well, do you think that would make like a good snack?
Yeah, and it might be good, I don't know, like in an omelet or something. Like I said, they're crunchy. I think the other ones were a little crunchier than these, maybe just a little. And these have a little more heat. It's kind of like the sugar takes a little bit of the heat out of it or something. And these, there's a little more pickled flavor, I think, to these than the last ones were. And I see that the juice there is pretty thick. I don't know what it was on the other ones because they were in with the eggs. But these are pretty good. I'm going to finish eating this little bunch right here, if that's okay.
That's fine.
Okay.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.